In this question, we have to find what is the median of these numbers. These numbers are the number of hours spent on Facebook by two students, and this is the number of hours spent by the first student, and these are the numbers of hours spent by the second student. We have Now we have to find what is the median. Median is the middle number. What is the middle number of this number of these number of sequence here? So to find the middle number, first we have to arrange these numbers. So first let's see which is the smallest number here. It is 1 here. Let me write 1. What is the second highest number? So we have to arrange these numbers from ascending or descending, whatever you like. So right now I am arranging them from smallest to the largest. So the number 1, this first is the smallest one. The second highest number is 2. 2 is over here. How many 2's are there? There are 2 2's. Second one is over here. Let me write them. First 2 and the second 2. And what is the next highest number and the next 3? There is no 3. 4. This is first 4, second, third and fourth. So we have 4 4's here. 1, 2, 3 and 4 4's and 5. We have 1 5 over here. Second here, 2 5's here. 1 5 and the second 5. 6. We have 1 6 here. Only 1 6 in these numbers. 6. 7, there is no 7 and there is no 8, and like that there is no. So 6 is the highest number here. Now we have arranged these numbers in lowest to the largest order. Okay, so we have to find what is the middle number. These numbers are not so big numbers. It is easy to find the middle number. Suppose we have how many numbers are there? Let us count them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. These are 10 numbers. So it is not difficult to find the middle number. But suppose if we have 50 numbers and 60 numbers like that, so then finding the middle number is very time consuming. To find the middle number, we should have to mention the position number. So this is the first position, this is second position, this is third one, this is fourth position, this is fifth position, this is sixth, this is seventh position, this is eighth, ninth position, and this is 10th position. And we have to find what is the middle position and what the number is and which number is there. To find the middle position, we have a formula, that is n plus 1 divided by 2. What is this n? The n is the total number of values here. How many values are here? There are 10 values. We have counted 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There are 10 values. So this n is 10. Let me write 10 here. It is 10 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 11 over 2, and it is 5.5. So when we get answer 5.5, 6.5, 11.5, yeah, I mean to say we have 0.5. So the median will be, so there will be two numbers in the center of this whole data. We also call this data. So when the number of values are even values, because we have 10 values, these are even values. When the values are even in number, so we always have two values in the middle of the data. So what's those two value will be? So 5.5 mean that 5.5 mean the median is between 5th and the 6th position. The median is between 5th and 6th position. Let me repeat again. You know that 5.5 is between 5th and the 6th. It's exactly between 5th and 6th. So we have to find which number is on the 5th position and the 6th position. You can see here, this number is on the 5th position and the same number is also in the 6th position. Therefore, median will be, we have to add, median will be, in this case, median we will add these two numbers and then divide them by 2. Because they are 2, so we will divide them by 2. It is 8 over 2, which is 4. Therefore, the median is 4. Let's come to the next example. This is second example. This is the number of hours spent by the second student on Facebook. He spent 3 hours on the first day and 4 hours on the next day or session. He spent 6 hours in the third session and 3 hours in the next fourth session and 4 hours in the same way. He spent these numbers of hours in the different sessions. Now we have to find what is the middle value of them. So to find the middle value, we have to arrange them first. We have to see which is the smallest number here. So this is the smallest number. And which is the largest number here? This 6 is the largest number. So let me arrange them by smallest to the largest one. So here, the 1 is the smallest, it will come first. We have only one 1 here. Let me see 2. This is 2 here. Second 2 here. Only 2 2s. First 2 and the second 2. Now check 3 here. 1 3. Second 1. Third 1. Fourth 1. So we have 4 3s here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 3s. 4. First 4. Second 4. We have 2 4s. 1, 2 here. 5. We have only 1 5. And what about 6? 6. We have only 1 6 here. Now we have arranged all these numbers from smallest to the largest. Now let me write the position number. It is first position, it is second position, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh position, 8th, 9, 10 and 11. These are 11 numbers. So these numbers are 11 in total. So now we have to find which number is exactly in the middle of this data. So we will again use that formula. The formula is n plus 1 over 2. What is n here? The total number of the values. The total number of values are 11. We have 11 values. So n is 11. 11 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 12 over 2. 6. So the median is on the 6th position. Here we have 11 values. The number of values are odd in number when the values are in odd in number, median is exactly, we have only one number in the middle of this whole data. So right now we have the number which is 6. What is the number which is on the 6th position? This 3 is on the 6th position. Therefore the median of this set of data or this sequence is 3 here. So this is how we have calculated the median of the data, which is also called raw data. Now let's come to the next question. How to find the median of this frequency table? To find the median of this frequency table, we have to again find what is the number which is exactly in the middle of the data. So first of all, what we do there, we will say that number of mistakes. So this, let me tell you, it is number of spelling mistakes in a composition made by each pupil in a class of 36. So there are total 36 students or pupils. So we have to find which one is the middle of this whole data. So to start, to find the median of this data, let me call this number of mistake X, and this one is F, frequency. To find the median of the frequency table, it is easier to find first CF. What does this CF mean? It is cumulative frequency. To find the how we can find the cumulative frequency? So we have to add these F. So we write this frequency 3 as it is. Then we add this 7 with this 3 and it will become 10. And then we add this 10 with this 10, it will become 20. And then we add this 20 with this 6, 26. And then 26 plus 5, it is 31. And 31 plus this 3 is 34. And 34 plus 1 is 35. And 35 plus 1 is 36. So they are total 36. Look here, this is also 36 here. So 36 and they are same. So to find the median of number of mistake, we have to find the median of this number of mistake. First we have to find the position where the median could be. So we have the formula, that is n plus 1 divided by 2. Here the n is this number 36. Let me write it here. It is n. This is n. So I will plug in here 36 plus 1 divided by 2. It is 37 divided by 2, which is 18.5. So we have discussed earlier, because 36 it is even number, the total values are even in number, so there will be two values in the middle of the data. So that will be 18, that will be on the 18th position, and also on 19th position. So the values which will be in the middle, that will be on the 18th position and on the 19th position. Now we have to see which value is on the 18th and 19th position. Look here. So the number which is on the first three position, 1, 2, 3, it will be 0, this one. And the number which will be on fourth 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10, up to 10 position, it will be 1. And the number which will be from 11th to the 20th position, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20th, it will be 2. And the number which will be from 20 to 26 position, 21 to 26 position, it will be 3. But we need which number is on the 18th position and 19th position. The number which will be on the 18th position, let me see again. So from 11th, if you see from here, for the number which is from 11th to the 20th position, it will be 2 again. Please check it again. The number which is from 11th up till 10, it is 1. From 11 to 20, it will be 2. So it means on the 18th position, there will be 2. And from 19th position, there also will be 2. So we have these two numbers on the 18th position and the 19th position. So we will add them and divide by 2, as we discussed in the previous example. When the number of values are even, right now we have 36, so there will be 2 numbers exactly in the center of the data. So those 2 numbers are 2 and 2. So in the next, we will add them and always divide by 2, because they are 2 numbers. It will be 4 divided by 2, which is 2. Therefore median is 2. So the median is the 2 here in this frequency table. Now let's come to the next example. So this is again, we have frequency table. In the previous frequency table, there were 36 numbers. 36 means they were even in numbers. Right now we have 27. Now we have odd numbers of values. So let's see. So it is question about monthly wages of 27 employees in a certain factory in 2008. So these are the wages and these are the number of employees. So first of all, let me call this wages X and this number of employees as F. To find what is the number which is exactly in the middle of this, what we have to do, we have to find, can you tell me what we have to do? We have to find cumulative frequency, CF. So in CF, this 4 will be as it is, we write it like it here. And then what we do, we will add this 4 with this 9, it will be 13. Then we add this 9 with this 8, it is 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 24 plus 2, 26. And 26 plus 1, 27. So again, see, you can see here, this is 27, this is 27. Here this 27 is n. And now we have to find which number is exactly in the center of this data. As the number of values are odd in number, it is 27. So we already know when the values, the total values, the number of total values are odd in number, there will be exactly 1 number in the center of the data. Let us see. The formula to find the location of median is n plus 1 divided by 2. The n is 27 here. Then plus 1 divided by 2. It is 28 over 2. So it is 14th position. So it is 14th. The median is on the 14th position. So let's see where is the 14th position. So here you can see here. So from first position, second position, third and fourth position, there is 670. 670 is on the first position. It is also on the second, third and fourth position. From fourth, that will start fifth. The fifth position, and from fifth, sixth, seventh and up to 13th position, there will be 760. And from onward 13, there will be 14th position. From onward from 13, there is 14. So for 14th position, for 16, 15, for 16, for 17, up to 21st, there will be 850. And from 22nd to 24, there will be 960. And from 25 to 26, there will be 1000. And from 27, there will be 1200. But we need what is the number which is on the 14th position. You can see here up to third, from 1 to 4, there is 670. From 5th to 13, there is 760. And from 14 to 21, there is 850. From 14th to 21st, there is 850. So on the 14th position, there is 850. Hence, median of this set of data. We can also call it frequency table or frequency distribution. It is $850 because the unit of this data is dollar, because wages are here in dollars form. So this is how we can calculate the median of raw data and median of frequency table when numbers of values are odd and when total number of values are even.